Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're a breastfeeding mama, then you probably know the pain of a clogged duct. And if you don't, then you don't want to, trust me. So what you want to do is get these amazing sunflower lecithin pills from Legendairy Milk. When I originally got these capsules, it was because I had the worst clogged duct that I could not get out at all. But since having these and following the daily maintenance, I have not gotten any more, which I found amazing. One thing I really appreciate is that they are flavorless, so there's no weird aftertaste. And even though they are a bit on the larger side, I had no trouble swallowing them at all because they slide down nice and easily with the coating. I like that it comes in this nice large size of 200 soft gels, so it's gonna last me a nice long time. I also really like that this is free of a lot of common allergens, so if you are allergic to anything, you don't have to worry about that. If you or someone you know is about to be or is breastfeeding, I highly recommend getting these. They worked so well for me, and I think they'll help you too, and that's my point of view.